guys, today I'm doing a Warby Parker home try-on. Warby Parker is a glasses brand. If you do not live on planet Earth and you don't know, they have a thing so you can order like 5 pairs of glasses, test them out for 5 days, and then figure out like which style you like and then send them back and order your glasses. So I have truthfully already picked my glasses, but I wanted you guys to be able to see kind of like what you get and what you can expect if you're also interested in doing this. It goes without saying, since I get like 20 views a video, that I am not sponsored, obviously. Okay, here is the box that I received. It says, "Good things await you." It was taped up and now it is not. I'm gonna hide that because that's got my address on it. So it comes and there's like a little sticker thing that you put on it to mail it back. So it's all free for you to do. They send you like the stuff that has like shipping paid for whenever you do drop it back off at your post office or put it back in your mailbox. It comes with this like helpful brochure thing that gives you like instructions if you need them, which I did. I did need them. And then you have the 5 pairs that you picked out online. Shipping took about a week or so. Yeah, let's get into the frames that I picked out. The first one I got was Mona in the marzipan tortoise with polished gold. And I'll show you what they look like on my face. You can let me know which ones you would have picked for me, and I will tell you at the end which ones I did end up picking. See if you can guess, I guess. Okay, these are the Mona glasses. Let me see, I don't remember what I thought. I do think that they are cute. Yeah, I like the metal mixed with the acetate, I guess is what it's called. I think that it's like a really like trendy look. But I feel like they sit, these ones specifically, sit too high up on my face. They are like nice quality though. These are all nice quality because it's a nice brand. My only concern about these ones is that it has these plastic nose pieces on them. Which maybe if you're not like super dirty and keep your glasses for a million years like me, or you're smart enough to replace them, isn't a problem. But I mean, I've just noticed whenever I've had glasses before that have it, that they tend to get like really dirty at the nose piece area. My next pair is called Belle, and just the clear color. I don't know what this like extra sleeve is for. I don't even remember if I put it on the right one whenever I put it back. Here are these ones. Wow, I'm just gonna do this every time I put my glasses on. I do like these quite a bit. I like that they're clear because I want more light to be able to hit my face because I wear a lot of eye makeup, and I think that it would be nice if you could see the eye makeup that I'm wearing. Let me know if you can see the eye makeup that I'm wearing. And I like the shape. I think that it doesn't look so bad on my like round face, which I have. I don't know if it's the size of the frame or what, but they do like fall off my face really easily. Ugh, I got my hair on my lip gloss. Yeah, here are these. Is it focusing on my face? I don't think I just put the sleeve back on the same one. I am so inconsistent. I really don't remember what one it was on. Oh, and it comes in, I'm sure you see, but these like little plastic baggies. And then they're like all divided out. The next pair is the Haskell pair in burnt lemon tortoise. Mostly what I'm like looking for, or what I imagine like a person other than me would also be looking for like whenever they're trying on these glasses, is how the shape looks on their face more than the color, because you can obviously order a different color. They just have like a select range that you can try on at home. And these ones are bomb in my opinion. I think these are like sitting a little crooked on my face. Or is my face crooked? But I really like the shape of these. I think they're so cute. I think like the tortoise is a little dark on my face for my taste. I know I have black right now, but like I'm trying to not have really dark frames anymore. So that's my only thing about these ones. But like I said, shape matters more than color in the try-on. Especially if you order a mix of colors and you can see like, oh, I like the color of this, but I like the shape of those. Then you can see online what they have. All right, my next pair is the Tansley in Jet Black. This one also has a sleeve on this part. What's it for? These ones are tight on my head, and I don't know if that is the size of the frame or what, but like I can feel that it would give me a headache. It's like right in here. I do think these ones are pretty cool looking. Like I said though, they are pretty dark because they're black, but I just love the metal. And I love how big they are. They're pretty cool. But they also have the nose pieces. And like I said, they're very tight. The last pair that I have to try on are the Eugene Smalls in Rose Crystal. I like that these actually aren't like clear. They're just like this pinky crystal, rose crystal, as they say. These were my spoilers, my second choice. If I have more FSA dollars at the end of the year to just like get rid of, I really might get these because they're pretty cool. Like, I'm feeling it in these. And I think that is what you need in a pair of glasses. To look at yourself and be like, feeling it. Yeah, these are pretty dope. They kind of remind me of Barb from Stranger Things. So maybe that's why I like them. I just feel like, yum. So yeah, here are the last pair. Here is the last pair. Grammar matters. Okay, so there they were. All 5 of the pairs that I selected for the home try-on. I think that this service is super great because we used to have I almost gave away the name of the store. We used to have a place that sold Warby Parker glasses in Oklahoma City where you could go in and you could try on everything, but they moved locations and so now they don't have that anymore because I did go in and ask. So this is really great because I, wanted Warby Parker glasses because I don't know if this works the same way for everybody, but at least with the way that like my insurance works and the fact that I have such a bad prescription and I have to have like high index lenses and like anti-reflective coatings and all these like all that jazz, they tend to be still like $200 by the time it's all said and done after insurance. And these start at $95, and then for like the more complex ones go up to $145. I've already ordered mine, and if you're curious, I don't mind sharing. They ended up being $190 after I had to have a high index lens put in because, like I said, my prescription is just god awful, and taxes. So after that was all done, it came out to be $190.12, I think, and shipping was free. So I think like that's not that bad, and they still take FSA and HSA, and if you don't have those, you can apply to your insurance and get it reimbursed. So it is a pretty like flexible option for people who maybe want an alternative to just like I don't know what's the word, like whenever you go into your eye doctor and you're like, oh, I see all these options that are kind of like not my thing. There are more options for people. If you're curious about which one I ended up getting the Haskell lenses. I got them in a different color. I can put a picture up right here. I got them in, it's like clear with like a tortoiseshell center with like more clear, and then the lens, obviously. So yeah, I am like so excited about them. To be honest, I have wanted this specific pair for like a year, but I didn't go to the eye doctor for like 2 years. So you have to have a current prescription. They like have you send in a picture of it to prove that it's yours, and then they have you measure your pupillary distance just by taking like a mugshot of yourself with a like credit card magnetic strip right under your nose. So they measure that out for you, which is really great because I did try measuring it, but I can't see, so I wasn't sure if it was accurate. Yeah, the whole process has been really easy, and all I have to do is go drop this back off at the post office. Let me know if you guys would consider doing this, if like Warby Parker is a brand that you guys have like thought about or been interested in. Yeah, let me know which ones you would have picked for me if you agree with my decision. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!